Hi everyone, welcome back to PRAKASAM tutorials. In my previous video, we discussed about concept of the random process and good example of the random process, and also discussed about uh, difference between random variable and random process in my previous video. So now here in this video, I am going to discuss about significance of the random process. What is the importance of the random process? The random process is a family function of the type family functions. So, and it is denoted by the random process is denoted by simply x of t or x of t comma lambda. So now here where t and lambda are the variables. So in this representation family of functions x of t comma lambda, if lambda is the fixed variable, lambda is fixed, the random process is a function of time only. It is called single time function, and that is the second significance. Similarly, if the time small t is the fixed, if t is the fixed, the random process is a function of lambda only, and hence the random process will represent a random variable at a time. And next important point is if both small t and lambda are fixed, then the family of functions x of t comma lambda is will be a number. So these are the significance of the random process.